Hi, my name is Mark Cooper, CEO of PM11. I was asked recently to co host a webinar with Tanya Walter, CEO of Observer, and we talked about how organisations can automate and use mobility solutions to improve maintenance. It was hosted by Ostmine, the leading industry body for Australia for METS and mining, and the following is one in a series of topics. Today's topic is introducing PM11 solutions for SAP.
On the left-hand side, the blue section, what we've focused on is the 5 key work management areas that assist in that plant maintenance space. So starting at the top with planning and moving through scheduling, dispatching, executing and optimizing work. So each one of those activities has supporting SAP solutions that we've developed embedded in SAP. And those are those orange boxes across the top. So as you can see, in planning and optimizing its KPI snapshots, annual estimates, etc. It's all about that maintenance planning and optimization of the work, scheduling and maintenance. So looking at the work progress, matching off the manning with the appropriate work that's coming down the line, and then the printing of work orders and scanning of work orders, as well as Fiori solutions to support the dispatch of work.